Okay, so let's talk about how to navigate this online course and what the best approach is. So we have some learning avenues. I have lecture videos for every section for this course. It's me going through examples. I also have lecture PowerPoints that go along with the lecture videos. So I would take the PowerPoints and I would either print them off or pull them up on my computer and then go and watch the videos and take notes while you are watching the videos. Once you get done with that, there are some Kahoot games that you can play. Um, they will go over some of the content within the course. It's just a fun learning activity. Then I would go and do the homework and see how I did. Once we get closer to exams, I have exams for every unit exam. I have I have a practice exam, I have the answers to the practice exam, and then I have step-by-step solutions for each of the practice exams for those for the exams coming up. So I would go through that, use the blank practice exam and test yourself on how well you would do on the actual exam, and then go back and look at the answers and see which ones you missed. And then for the ones that you missed, go to the step-by-step solution and see where did the error occur. Now, if you are still struggling with one of the questions, then please feel free to book an appointment with me through Cisco WebEx. Okay, and that's going to be through Canvas. Now, I'm available Monday through Friday from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now, when it comes to the final, I don't have a practice exam specifically for the final. Now, what I do is I take questions from the other unit exams, and then I make that for the final. So I would use the practice exams for the unit exams, take those, study those in preparation for the final exam. Okay, so how else could we boost our grade? We have some extra credit opportunities. I have bonus questions for every unit exam. Those are worth 2% that will be added to that exam. I also have one bonus question for each uh, exam, and that will be 2 percentage or 2% added to that exam. And also, at the end of the semester, I'm going to look at the average homework grade, and if it's 95% or higher, I'm going to add an additional 3% to your overall grade for the course. Okay, now if you are struggling with anything in this course, please do not hesitate to call me either by phone, by email, or setting up a Cisco WebEx meeting through Canvas. Now, all of this information can be found in the syllabus, which is also on Canvas as well.